Welcome! In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to find your Epic Games account and password using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for epicgames.com. Okay, so let's just wait for it. So once you've done that, just go ahead and log in your account. Okay. So once you've logged in your account, you want to click on your profile here at the upper right side of your screen and click on Accounts. So this is a very quick and easy tutorial. So now here at the account settings, you can see your email, also your password. Okay, and that's so easy, right? And that is how you do it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.